Hey, my Tea Party Squad, welcome back to my channel. If you are new here, my name is Tekoa, and I love to inspire others to plan through planners, stickers, and organizing. Now, I recently joined the Pretty Planner Co. PR team, and I'm so excited to be working alongside some amazing women who are a part of the Pretty Planner Posse. And so this is going to be my first PR unboxing for Pretty Planner Co. So I wanted to show you guys just a few things that I picked up, let you see what they offer, and I'm really excited to use some of these items as well. So it comes in this box here with this beautiful packaging and also this little card. I just love this, just letting me know, thank you for my purchase. I get like a discount code to use on my next purchase, which is always amazing. And so, yeah, I love the card. It looks really, really cute. Love it. So I know there's going to be a few of you that are going to love some of the items that I have picked out for my PR unboxing. So I will share my discount code as well for being on the PR team because I know you guys love pretty things. So I think because this box is super huge, I want to kind of focus on each item one at a time. I'm just going to slide everything to the left, and then we're going to talk about each of the items. So the first item up I picked up was this list insert. And you'll see why I picked this up. But this will be great for if I want to do maybe like a home or work task, breaking up different sections, or even trying to do maybe like a routine schedule. I can use that for that. So I'm just trying to figure out an idea of what I want to really use it for. But it'd be great to kind of have one section for AM and one section for PM as far as a routine. But it is double-sided. So I did get that one. The next item up, I did get the noted inserts. It is a horizontal. I love that because then you can also date it. So it is undated, which I love. Super cute. And it is front and back as well. So I did get this one. Not for sure how many pages come in that, but it's a good amount. All right. So the next item that I picked up were these little circle stickers. These are actual like transparent circle dots. Like if you have a special day you want to remember in your monthly, you can use those to highlight those special events. And so I did get them in the denim, and I think this one is like the blush wedding color or of some sort, but I'll let you see because I think it comes 3 in a pack. And so you get the circle stickers here, you get a square, and I believe it's one more, maybe not. Okay. So you get the circle and the square, which I just want to get both just because I just figure I can use it. And then this one is the denim, and I believe you get 2 in here as well, or maybe 3, but I'll show you guys. So you get the circle and so you get the wedding blush. So yeah, that one comes with 3. So you get the wedding pastel purple and then the wedding pastel pink or the soft pink, and then you get the denim. But I just love these. I can't wait to use these for my monthlies as far as like helping me color code certain things. You can also use those for color coding too. So I did get those as well. All right, so the next little item here that I picked up, I did get this little pretty important like little desk, little card to kind of write down certain things like today, just like a little notepad for Pretty Planner Co. And it's called Pretty Important at the top, which I think is really cute. And so you get, like a block of that, of the little notepad. And I think it'd be great to have like on your desk or just even have in your purse if you need something to kind of write down some quick notes while you're out and about. I think that'd be great as well if you were to purchase this. All right, so I did get some planner cards, and you'll see why I got the planner cards, but I love this one. This comes in a set of 3, and I like this one because it has a quote on here that says, "Wait till I get my money right," by Kanye West. And you guys, if you know Kanye West, you know Kanye West. But I love this one because I just think it's super cute. And then on the back says, Pretty Planner Co. So cute. And then this one here, it just has the definition of grind, grit. I just love that. It's so cute. And then this one, it reminds me like a little paint swatch. And so I just like that too. And that says pretty. And then on the back, you can have like a little tracker. Use it for however you want, but it'll be great to add to your planner pockets as well. So I did get that. So my favorite are these beautiful planner dividers. This one is the black with rose gold letters on them as well. I just love everything about this. I wasn't for sure. She actually offers two. So it's the black with rose gold, and then she also has a frosted with rose gold letter as well. And so I do want to go down to an A5 size. And so I wasn't for sure which one I want to pick up. But I'll let you guys see what each of the tabs say on them. So with the black one, the first section here is grind. The next section is lists, projects, finance, goals, and miscellaneous section there. So you'll get either, you can choose from the black one with the rose gold lettering, or you can also get the frosted as well. And I'm not for sure if I think I did pick up the frosted. Yep, I sure did. I did. So let me get this out of the package. So yes, I did get the frosted as well, because I wasn't for sure if I wanted to do the black or the frosted, because it just depends on what type of A5 I'm going to use. But as you can see here, it has the same title on there, or subjects on there, but it is in the rose gold as well. It's just a frosted cover on there. But I love it. Super cute. I'm telling you, all things pretty. Oh my goodness. All right, so let's see. I have a few more items to show you. And the next one that I think I'm going to show you guys, yes. So I'm going to let you guys see this Undated Weekly. This is about a month's worth of an undated like insert for your planner if it's something that you may want to test out, a certain layout. I did pick this one up, but again, this is the Undated Weekly. It's the week on 2 pages. Again, you can start whenever, which I do love about that, but sometimes it's a little overwhelming for me when it's undated because I may forget. But whenever you don't want to plan for a specific week, you can also skip that week and pick back up when you know you are going to be super busy and need to get things done. But that's what the Undated Weekly looks like. Yeah, here are the few pages here. Again, you're only going to get about a month, so maybe about 4 weeks you'll get in here. And it is I believe it's a week on 2 page like spread. All right, and so don't forget, you guys, to stay tuned, because I am going to be sharing my code with you guys, so that if you do want to pick up some of these items that you have seen so far, you will be able to get a percentage off of your purchase as well. All right, and then I also did get the Undated daily sheets, because I am getting into these daily pages. I have seen a lot of planner babes out here rocking the daily sheets, and I'm like, okay. So I did want to get this and try this out and see how I like it. But what I do like about her daily sheets is that you have an appointment section, you have a top 3 priority section, you get a water intake tracker, and then you also will be able to track like your breakfast, lunch, and dinner section. So you can do so much with just this daily page that I just think I may want to utilize that. So we will see. We will see. I'm excited about this one though. All right, so I did get the planner dashboards. This one in particular is called the Pretty Duo dashboard. And let me show you why it's called the Pretty Duo dashboard. It is super cute. I just love it because it says pretty everywhere all over this thing, okay? So you get this vellum type paper on the top that says pretty, pretty, pretty. On the left-hand side, just pretty everything, like super cute vellum. And then, as you can see there, so that's the vellum. You see that? And look at this one. So this is the cardstock one on the second one. And then on the right hand side, it has pretty as well. But when you put them together to become a duo, you get all things pretty. Oh, it's super cute. I love it. So I did get this one because you can actually utilize this separately, like this or like that. Put maybe like some color paper behind each of them, or another type of vellum over the other one. And then you actually can maximize it even more. So the possibilities are endless with that. But I have so many ideas of what I want to do with that dashboard. All right, so this next item is going to be dressed in this beautiful duster bag that says Pretty Planner Co. Plan your vision, style, and color manifest with words, and check out the website. Yes. Oh my goodness. This comes dressed in this beautiful duster bag that you can do so much with it. But of course, all good things come in a nice package, right? So I wanted to introduce you guys to Edwina. Yes, Edwina has big, bold, teal color. Oh my goodness. She has a quilted body. It's cruelty-free, vegan-free leather. And I cannot wait to show you guys the inside. She is not only gorgeous on the outside, but also gorgeous in the inside. And you guys know I love a good A5, right? So let's open her right on up. Are you ready? All right. So Miss Edwina comes with 7 deep pockets in the front. Look at that rose gold ring, honey. Oh my goodness. Look at those 7 pockets there. Then you also get 2 front pockets as well on the side here behind those 7 pockets. And then you get 1 back pocket compartment as well. And then you get your pin loop that's also attached to it. Always have a pin ready. And then I don't know if you can see that you have your Pretty Planner Co. embossed on the planner. Oh my goodness. Again, this is Miss Edwina. Pretty Planner Co. has other planners. They have different names, but Miss Edwina stuck out to me because of her big, bold colors. I am colorful. I love bold colors. And look, once you're done, if you want to put her back in the duster bag and put it back in your bag, you can do that. But I love, 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 love this duster bag as well. This duster bag could be an accessory by itself. It just seems like I purchased a whole lot of stuff, you guys. But anyway, I wanted to also show you some cute accessories. So not only can you accessorize your planners through planner cards and planner inserts and planner dashboards, but Pretty Planner Co. also has what she calls a placelet, like a planner bracelet. How stinking cute is that? Having a bracelet for your planner. Oh my goodness. So this is what I wanted to show you guys. It is a planner bracelet that says pretty. Let me fix that. There we go. And it says pretty. So I wanted to show you guys how you can actually place this in your planner properly and to make it look super cute. So who doesn't love like bangles on their arms? And why not have bangles for your planners, right? So you just take this and loop it around your front cover gently. Place it in between the ring, on the side of the rings. Make sure it's turned right, and then voila! Look at that. Isn't that pretty? Oh, it's super cute. Just the little things for me, it just excites me, and I just think this is super cute. And so yeah, so now you have a little bangle for your planner. Dress it up a little bit, make it look a little ladylike. Super cute. And it does help having this big bold color. And then I did also get another one because I do have another A5 that I think I may want to add this to. So I did pick up 2. Yes, I did. And it's the same. This is the only one in that style. I don't think she'll be coming out with any more. And I don't think it's customizable. All of them would say pretty, but I think it's really, really cute. Oh my goodness. All right. So I am getting down to the last item. I promise you guys, I save the best for last. So not only do we have planners and all the good things, but we need to put this in something, right? So the last item that I picked up that Pretty Planner Co. offers, and as a matter of fact, let me just move everything out of the way. Let's make room for this. Like, this is like super cute. I need to make room for it so you guys can see her in all of her fullness. And so again, like I said, in order for us to have not only our planners, we need to carry those planners in something. So Pretty Planner Co. offers this beautiful planner bag in this nice soft blush color. Pink. I love it. It is super cute. And who can't have enough planner bags, right? I love to switch out my planner bags depending on my outfit, depending on the day, the season, all of that. So yeah, so this is it right here. This is also available on the website, and you are able to use my code to get a percentage off. Super cute and very reasonable. So yes, it has like this nice pebbled tone, feel and texture to it. It does have a snap closure, very flexible bag, which I do love in here. And I'll let you see the inside is very deep. So here's the like little magnetic closure, just kind of snaps closed and open it up. And then let me show you guys the inside. Look how deep that is. I don't know if you can really tell how deep that is, but it's really deep. But let me get my A5 planner. Yeah, and so it comes with one pocket in the inside. And that's pretty much it that you'll get in the inside, is just that one pocket. But of course, we have all the planner accessory things, right? So we have all the storage for other things. But let me let you see what it looks like with the A5. So if I lay the A5 in there, that's just half of the A5 size. And then if I stand it up, it still has enough room. I think it'd be great for if you have like the Happy Planner, Classic, even the big. I think it will go great with it. But I'm just not for sure on that as far as the big size. But it comes with a little tassel in the front, which I think is really, really cute. And yeah, I just like the texture of this. It's really cute. So yeah. All right, so that was just a few of the items that I picked up for my first PR team unboxing. I hope you guys enjoyed the items that I picked up and was able to show you guys. And if you saw something in this video that you want to pick up, I would love to share my referral code with you, which is T15, to get 15% off of your purchase from Pretty Planner Co. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you are new here, hello again. I am Southern Tea Time, also known as Tekoa, and I love to inspire you guys to plan through planners, stickers, and sharing my organization style. So if you enjoyed this video, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up. And if you are new here, please don't forget to click that subscribe button and that notification bell. And I will see you guys in my next video.